XAUKING, and I'm back with another technical analysis, pre-market open analysis. This is on XAUUSD, XAUUSD basically, and what should you do when you find yourself in such a situation? Well, the answer is simple. Begin to conduct your technical analysis on a higher time frame, and you will then discover what's going to happen next. So allow me to do what majority of the traders are doing, which is shell king slash, okay, master FX. All right, I'm not gonna add those discipline, blah 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 blah. Okay, so let's begin with the technical analysis by going on a higher time frame. All right, just trolling there. So we start on the most importantly, let's go on the weekly time frame and then see what happens. All right, so here we are on the weekly time frame. Just zooming out so that we have a clear view of what's happening. So on the weekly time frame, we are exactly where we are supposed to be. Uh, the most important candle at the moment is this one. All right, so this is the current candle. This is the most important candle. But I want you to understand one thing, okay? I want you to look carefully, all right? As simple as it is, all right? Not one strategy is better than the others, all right? Keep this in mind. You can use any strategy to apply to these markets and you're going to get the results that you're looking for. So let's just look at the market as a normal person would, not as a technical analyst, but just as a normal person, any other normal person. So here it is, all right? This is what we should look at, okay? From this point, all right, to this point, all right? This is what we're looking at, all right? Let me just draw this as well. This is what I want you guys to look at, okay? And remember that mathematics is exact, okay? Mathematics is an exact science. We're dealing with numbers, so somehow mathematics is involved here. Now, if you look carefully, you will realize that we have this, okay? This, all right? And then we have this as well, all right? And then we have this as well. But in between here, we have something more interesting, all right? Which is this area here. This, as weird as it may seem, is an area of consolidation, all right? Price was consolidating in here, all right, guys? So we had bullish movement, consolidation, continuation, all right? Now, previously, what did we have? We had this, okay? So we had a bullish movement, okay, and then a move to the upside. But if you look inversely, like if you look at this scenario, let me just show you. If you look here, if you look at this situation here, you will realize that at some point price came back to the 50% of this movement. So I call it 50% of the movement because I'm calculating that the distance from here to here should be equal to the distance that price has to travel from here to here. Hence, I had predicted in the previous videos that price will reach the $800 mark. This is how I did it, alright? It's not voodoo, it's not science, it is just common sense, alright? So, look at it again. From here to here. Okay, we have about 7 bars, 49 days, 290 pips. Now let's try and do the same here. This would be let's look for 290. Well, here it says that it's somewhere here. Okay, 746. But my best guess is around that side. All right. So I'm expecting take profit targets at the nearest psychological zone here. Okay, I'm expecting gold to reach that far. But let's remember that once price, okay, so once price reaches the top here, it should retrace. Okay, so from here to here, where our 50% lies is where price is going to come back to initially. So price will go up and then come down to the 50%, and we could have something like this, right? Or we could have this, and then price comes here, create a mitigation block, and then drop. All right, we could have something like this. So this is just us trying to work with common sense, not really any technical analysis. And now let's get to work. Okay, in order to start working, we need to go to the latest candle on the weekly time frame. Okay, remember that we trade 5 days a week, so it's this candle right here. We will mark the open of the candle, which is here. This is the open of the candle, and then we will mark the low of the candle. This is the lowest point ever recorded on this candle, and then we will mark the high of the candle, since the close on Fridays is always where the dotted lines of the actual price is. So this is us right now. All right, this is our area of interest for this technical analysis. Okay, this area right here, let me see if I can show you. So this area right here is where we're gonna trade basically, throughout the week. Okay, so whatever happens in between here is where we will be trading throughout the week. So if you go on the daily time frame, which is going to be our point of departure for this analysis, you will realize, okay, this is now on the daily time frame. Now remember that on the daily time frame, we will have to count 5 candles backwards. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these candles make up for the movement created by price this week on XAUUSD. Now we have 2 equally bullish candles. All right, very bullish, strong price reaction, but price just so happens to close this way, and we should expect the next moves on Monday. Now, what are we expecting on Monday? In my case, I would say this easy. If price, okay, if price happens to move in any way from where it is now all the way down to this area and then breaks the area, retests the area, I would sell it off to the weekly low. All right, meaning that I would be expecting my optimum entry for breakout and retest around this area. Okay, for breakout and retest around this area. For IPD, immediate price delivery reactions, I will be expecting price around here on a smaller time frame to enter on a sell move. And what am I looking for? I will be looking for something like this, price to go up, come down, break a low on the lower time frame, come back, and then I would enter around there to sell until this level. Okay, that's what I'm looking to do. This is how I conduct my weekly and daily technical analysis. Now, inversely, if we have a bullish movement to the upside, I will be expecting price to break above the highest point, come back to retest the zone, and then go all the way up, okay, to 800. Now, if this happens, we are going to 800. All right, we're going to 800. So this is my technical analysis for the upcoming week. All right, below the close of the previous daily candle, we look for shorts continuously. Above the previous daily candle, we look for longs continuously. All right, guys, please like and subscribe to the channel. I will be uploading a course soon in English and one in Portuguese, and you guys will enjoy to the max of your ability. Take care.